Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a diya. If you know Indian festival Deepavali or Diwali, uh, it's like candle and it is our Holy Spirit attached with diya. On Deepavali and other occasions also we also enlighten uh, the diya in our houses. So in the month of Deepavali you can purchase these paintings, and these are not too much cost. Very easily you can buy, but the cost I cannot reveal here. But enjoy this video. If you are interested to purchase these paintings, I have some more these square shaped 4 by 4 inches canvas paintings you can buy, and these are not of the high cost as other paintings. So enjoy this video. I'm just doing the final layer of this painting. As always, I do the black color over all the painting, and then after that I will make the textures, and finally you will get an abstract modern art with oil colors. Now turpentine and black has been mixed, and the color is thin. It is applicable over the canvas, so I am applying over the painting. This layer was dried before 2-3 days, but I give more time also because there is a raining season in the India. So now, and before drying this layer I have to make the textures, but in the oil painting we have lot of time because oil colors do not dry. Approx 7 days also sufficient to make the textures. And please, before leaving this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and stay tuned with me. Wow, so these two abstract paintings with oil colors with texture on small canvases are ready, and after 1 week you can buy it, and I can deliver in India and abroad also.